How to block delete MailChimp contacts. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can block delete MailChimp contacts. Okay, so deleting MailChimp contacts is very simple. Just follow the process. And the first thing to do, of course, is to log in into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your MailChimp account, this is the page that you'll be brought to. All right, then by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as campaigns, automations, audience analytics, website, etc. For the focus of this tutorial, we'll be looking at audience. Okay, audience. And then here under audience, once you just click now, currently my toggle is has been brought down. That's why the arrow is this way. But if you click on that toggle, it will be like this. Your own should be like this. So all you need to do is just to click on this arrow pointing downwards. Just click on it this way. So once you click on it, you'll see a list of options as well in the menu, such as all contacts, sign up forms, etc. Just go ahead and select all contacts. So once you select it, you wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will take you to your contacts page, number of contacts you have. Currently I have just one contact, and the contact has been subscribed to my account. That is why it is displaying this. For you to want to delete bulk contact, that means you must have thousands or hundreds of contacts. The number of contacts you have will be displayed here. And then once that is done, once you see your contacts, what number of contacts you have, you just go ahead. Now, on this page, you can see that there is no option for deleting the contacts, right? Yeah, there's no option. So what do you do? Next thing for you to do is to check out the menu below the number of below the writing displaying your contact. You will see the menu, and you will see overview, manage contact, etc. So all you need to do is to click on manage contact. Once you click on it, a drop down menu would appear, and then you will see list of options as well. All you need to do is just to scroll down until you see data management tool. Yes, data management tool. Click on it. Once you click on it, the page would load, and then you'll be directed to data management tools page. Now on this page, by the right side of the screen, you would see permanently delete. Yeah, yes. So that's what we are looking for. So once it's permanently delete, next thing for you is to select the contact you want to delete. Now, since you want to delete the bulk contact, currently I only have one contact, so I'm not deleting I'm not deleting a bulk, because I don't have bulky contacts. But for you, all you need to do is select the first contact on the page. And once you've selected it, press down the shift button on your keyboard, and then you scroll down to the last contact and select the last contact. Once you do that, while pressing down your shift button, other contacts will be selected automatically. I'll come again. The first thing to do once you're on this page is that select the first contact by clicking on the box. Once it sticks like this, that's selected, and then you scroll down to the last contact. Once you scroll down to the last contact, press down the shift button and select that last contact. Once you've selected it, the rest of the contacts will also be selected. All you need to do is to come over here to permanently delete, and then you click on permanently delete. So that is how you can delete bulk MailChimp contacts. So once you click on permanently delete, you'll be asked if you're sure you're about to permanently delete one contact. You will not be able to. So you have to type permanently delete to confirm. Once you click on that, click on confirm, and the contacts would be deleted automatically. So this is how you can delete bulk MailChimp contacts on your MailChimp account. So go ahead and delete those contacts today. Thanks for watching.